Okay, friends and followers, here's the Tesla Level 3 charger all fired up. It's mounted directly to the circuit breaker panel, and the wire goes directly into the 240 volt mains and a 60 amp breaker. So there was one mistake made. This didn't mount up too well, so I can't really open the door real well here. It hits that thing, so maybe I'll end up shaving the door down a little bit. I'm ashamed of that, but anyway, inside there is a 60 amp breaker for the car, and there's 4-gauge wire running in there. Yeah, this is a real screw up. I really can't believe I did that, but when you're doing things by eye and doing things by ad hoc, I wanted to make this as high as possible because I needed to, but I'm off by a few. I'm off by 5 millimeters, right? Okay, well, that's it. The thing is humming away here. We got to get it now encoded to the phone with the Tesla app, but it looks like it's happy, healthy, and wise. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.